A very good afternoon, everyone.
Good
My name is
afternoon, Rizwan.
Rizwan, and I'm the director of ACE Personal Resource Development. I'm a trainer, coach, and speaker, and I help participants and my trainees to develop their soft skills, behavioral skills, and as the name of my company says, it's ACE, which is Achieving Creative Excellence. I help people achieve creative excellence in whatever they are doing, their field, they're developing their core skills and achieving success in their field of business. Uh, the reason I am conducting this webinar this afternoon is to talk to one of my participants who has attended the 6 days TTT program, which was conducted a month ago. And I thought it would be a good idea to get their opinion, their perspective of what was the experience like the 6 day TTT program. And apart from the other participants we have already interviewed, today I have with me a very dynamic personality. She is also one of my co-students in the ISTD program, uh, Anuradha, here with me, and she has
Hi,
attended our 6 days program. I would like to put a question to Anuradha. Please introduce yourself to the viewers, some information about yourself, your profile, please, Anuradha.
hello, and good morning, everyone. Hi, I'm Anuradha Jha from Patna. I have total 5 years of experience. I started working after my MBA. I started working with a corporate as a HR, and I worked with a manufacturing firm, e-commerce, and currently with the NBFC sector. So I have looked after the entire HR domain. Luckily, not the general functional area or the all the core important area which shape up the business transaction from the HR angle. And during that activity, I came across the training profile, which interests me a lot to explore much and much, because I realize every process is important, but the only process which work on the gaps, which work on the performance directly, which work on these development aspect is a training, and which is very creative way of thinking. There is no uh, set of models which work. It can be a different set of models which can be created as per the boundary of the organization, as per the intellect of the trainer, and can be portrayed very well. So that uh, very much interest me, and then I started finding myself in a different angle from HR, with as a trainer or without a trainer. So in the hunt of myself, I came to this direction where I want to explore much and much in training field. And I had a little of experience in training line in my first second company organization, where because my first company was a manufacturing, and it was a certified ISO certified, and other certification is there, where training is the part of the guideline and have to be done within a ISO procedure process and everything. So while doing from zero, because everything was on paper just for the showing purpose, but my every time when I was in the college time, so I was very curious child to know what if whatever is written, what we are studying is actually going to happen or not, because most of the faculty, most of the students say kuch bhi padh lo, aage kaam nahi hone wala. Then but luckily, whatever I have studied, gone deep into it over a journey, I realized the way you start resolving processes, that then you come to the actual meaning of the learning which we have done at the time of our institute or any study. So this helped me individually to come up with a training line. There was no mentor, no one to guide me. So just using my senses, understanding the need of the business, understanding the psychology of the participant, understanding the constraint, what timeline, restriction, interest, non-interest, why everything in a detailing, I come to know the various factor in HR before going in detail a theoretical part. And this way I started coming with a a training mindset and training solutions. So I bring it in my second company and trying to chasing toward management, but right now is into a different development, but sooner and later will do that in my current company as well. So this is a little bit about me.
Great, great. So Anuradha, I understand you have developed your inner desire to go into the training field, and it's very enlightening to know that you want to fill the gaps that you find in the employees or in your staff, so that you can address those gaps and develop not only the people but the organization on a whole. Am I right?
Right.
Right. So being together in the ISTD, TTT ISTD program, I have seen that you have been very proactive in your curiosity and trying to find answers for the questions. I also see that you might know that the last 5-6 months we have gone through a total different lifestyle from what it used to be before the COVID situation. So I ask all my participants, how do you feel from the start when the COVID struck us? That perspective, what was in your thought process at that time? And now, 5 or 6 months down the line, what do you think? Was it what is your perspective? Was it empowering or disempowering? Was it a good thing? Was it a disadvantage to us? Overall perspective, what would you say?
So I would like to start from the time I thought of pursuing some certification or a diploma program for my self-development purpose, because a little bit I'm very curious person, and whenever there is a stagnation, then I started diverting. So my energy is not getting utilized in a best possible manner. So I always keep on hunting ki, something is gap in
Something
me,
new,
why
yeah.
I'm not enjoying it, or something is not perfect
Lacking, yeah.
in lacking toward my environment. So I thought of why not to go for a program. But before that, I have also done a NLP, practitioner level, and hypnosis, which added a fuel in the training line, definitely in my this minimum year of journey. So when I started my journey with an ISTD, honestly, I had a very uh, big expectations frame of mind that I will be going to the world class or in an intellect faculty is going to, yes, we have got that. And since we learning will be, because all the other field expert is going to come, so more than a faculty school teaching environment, I was looking for a interactive environment so that I can steal the skill from the different students as well, wherever I feel this is the actually is a point of learning. I am a thief in this area. So you can say मुझे चोरी करना बहुत पसंद है in terms of training line or skills. So it is like just someone amaze you, or yes, this is what thinking factor, different way of thinking. So that in what interests me a lot. So I started with before COVID, yes, very smooth school. It's like a back to school or a back to college, but edge was that the different mindset from a different field, diversified individual like you, from coming from a sales background, and then came into totally training, and now you are doing such a great thing in a training line, that it is very inspiring for me, that and very giving me a motivation as well, that yes, even I can do that. So this way, so in initial process was good. I will not focus on the classroom and the lecture process which we have, because it was like everyone experience I have. It was very nice. Few drawback was definitely there. Scope of improvement is always there in terms of faculty, in terms of delivery of the training, in terms of the content, because we are an adult learner. So till that point of time, I was not knowing andragogy, pedagogy, terminology, because my training exposure was a live practical, without someone guideline. It was naturally built. So I was not aware of the big terminologies. I was just aware of the yes, this is important factors, criteria, and my visualization work in that way. So lacking was there, but what I appreciate much that after COVID, when now no one was prepared, no one was fully thought for if we have to go full time virtually online or using the digital platform, how things could be. Even as a student, you, me, everyone was very curious how things are going to be. Even most wonderful and drastic experience was our exams. But yes, overall journey was some sort of, because we learn from the gaps also. So as a student, yeah, as an observer, as a part of the member, if something is going good, that add experience, yes, in a positive manner, see, this can be utilized. It create a one layer of mindset ki this is the right process, we can use it in the next. And if there is a gap, then we start thinking, we start discussing, brainstorming, and out of frustration, yeah, out of interest of our own intellect, someone intellect, we figure out a different angles. And that is very amazing part. So I always consider even a worst situation as an opportunity to learn. So I will say full of learning, different ups and with different ups and down. And yes, everyone need to grow themselves from one level to another level, because that is an organization, and expectation as a participant, as a learner was always high, but not that level, but at least what is the basic is required. My suggestion will be my institute must work on that. But overall is very, very good journey. And yes, we are still together, a lot to explore. Yes, I like to highlight most important and interesting part was our morning session. If there will be no ISTD, there will be no Rizwan, there will be no Anuradha, there will be no Divya, there will be no Yogesh, there will be no morning wake up calls, there will be no reminders, come we have to discuss, there will be no questions paper, and there will be no brainstorming. So my major learning, because you know that after my first semester, I was back foot for a 4-5 month because of some reason. So I was not very much active on the ISTD platform for my personal reason. But that morning session backed me up and realized me why I am lagging behind, thinking to restart from zero and all, when I can do it from now. So that happened because when we discuss, interact, so almost every training models, training tools, technology we have touched, and that is and linking with everyone experience, everyone way of delivery style, every way of what knowledge, expertise. So that was a beautiful part of learning.
Great, great, great. So you think this last 5-6 months, which was first we thought it would be something disabling, was really an empowering experience? I'm sure everyone has faced difficulties. We cannot say that it was an easy ride for people. There have been challenges. I'm sure you have also faced a lot of challenges in the last few months. But even then, you have been pursuing your goal on the learning part, on the training front, and it's really appreciated. I would like to compliment you that although you have faced your personal challenges, but you still keep going and do not tire or give up. So I
Yes.
really like to compliment you on
So
that.
that is, for that I will like to give credit to you guys also, to give him at that level of confidence. If you can manage time, then why I can't?
Definitely,
So
we
that
all
was the
can.
major motive behind.
We as a team, I think it's never I. In this world, you cannot be an I and survive or even succeed, because it's always an effort of everyone around you, your family members, your friends, your colleagues, who all contribute to you towards your success. And I think it's never my achievement. It's an achievement of everyone who has contributed. My team members in the group
Definitely,
have been
sure.
instrumental in my success. Everyone that I can name, not leaving anyone. Everyone is contributing to each other, and I think this is a healthy way of growing in any career, in any field. You cannot be an isolated one-man show. And that's why I think we as trainers need to come together and contribute towards each other's success. Because as a trainer, I think you can only be at one place at one time. You cannot be conducting 5 trainings at
Correct.
one time. So unless and until you create a network of teams and like-minded people, you cannot be able to touch many people's lives. If you want to go alone, it's a very difficult journey as a trainer. That's what is my point of view, because whatever you share is multiplied as it goes forward, and everyone goes on and sharing it further down. Of course, commercial aspects are always needed to be considered, because everyone needs to have bread and butter on the table. So
Oh,
I'm sure,
definitely. Yes,
yes,
yes.
that's right.
So it is
So
simple as like one can only think to a different angle, but when we are in group, we can decorate in a platform as per the need, as per the actual requirement, with the getting some part of different angles at one perspective. So that was a beautiful thing to explore, and with the team effort. And yes, every single individual in the group was is helped me, and to build up a different angle of my learning, different angle of my perspective, different angle of my enthusiasm toward one particular field. Yes, this is what actually I'm looking for.
great, great. So thank you very much for sharing the last few months of your experience. Another question I would like to say is, what brought you to the 6 days TTT program? What was it? What was your thought process when you went on to register for our 6 days TTT program? What was it you were looking for, your objective, or what was it that you were trying to find in the program? That would be an interesting thing to know.
To be very honest, Rizwanji, when I was working on a training line for my first organization, and I came across the trainer, means every time I cannot train, even if I know the technical aspect from a different department. Although the department always want कि जो organize कर रहा है, the person who is organizing can train itself and make them someone master. But reality is, even if I know, understand, I cannot be the trainer. I can be the facilitator, I can be the training manager who is designing for every aspects. So I found that trainers, people are not ready to share. And when I started exploring why they are not ready to share, was a hesitant, was not knowing how to share, is their personality, their understanding, their delivery. Everywhere there is a restriction. And the way we are, for people who are in this field, understand, focus on audience, say, go detail in detail, technical member is not very focused toward how people think, behave, and all, because their thing is whatever best they are knowing, just to explain them, show them, so that other side of the person will understand, interpret with their observation, learning, and all, and the chapter is closed. But as a trainer, we know that this exchange do not happen until unless there is a connect, there is a purpose, there is a design, there is a link toward one activity to another, and there is a evaluation process, which we say there will no other point of evaluating what was the outcome of the training itself, because training do not give answer immediately. Training always give answer over a period. It first make people to accept the training, what is organized for them, whether they are coming by will, or whether person is by coming by force of the someone or the department, or it is because it is organized. Second important thing, when they accept to come, they make them to set you, this is organized for you, investment is done, so this is for your betterment. Then the shift of mindset is another different, though that happen when interaction between a trainer or a trainee come up with a which we call it repo. Earlier I was not knowing. So so creating, I always say connect, I always say a relationship. I never said a repo in the time of my first delivery of training and all. Creating a rapport, making them understand why and how this is going to impact them. And it is just not saying, by making them feel it, by making them realize it, and throughout the process following up for a one single thing, so that it will act as a reminder, it will act as a drive also, it will act as a force also to person can act this upon. Because after mindset, the most important thing is change the habit. So once the habit is changed, then only person start adding something from a different behavior or different activity in their 24 hours or 12 hours in a journey, by adding something or by removing something which is not necessary to for that point of time, whether it is wasted time in some other process, or whether overindulge in a one process. So that given me insight, why not to come up with some kind of program where the technical team will be aware how to handle the 1 hour program or a 2 hour program which is organized within the organization. Because I have not got opportunity for a outside trainer, outbound trainer, but yes, I have this scope to come up, develop my own organization with a trainer and a training concept, which I utilize the fullest, because there was less cost, more brain. And all so cost was only when it is, so when everything is ready, then management also supports. So I was knowing if I will go with a just a thought process, what I am thinking, because what I am sharing right now, that time management is not ready to listen the mindset of a worker. If I have to train to the worker, what kind of the trainer or training demand is there? Because for a worker, you don't need to work upon how the ambience look like, how the high profile training to be done so that they will be amazed. No, that is not their level. Training, the workers mostly focus toward how any particular extra technical aspect help them to develop whatever is a gap. Because they do not go for boarding
Their skill set. You
ideology,
need to
because
upgrade their
yes,
skill, basically.
yes,
That's more
they
important for a
just
worker.
need a skill to operate more perfectly. So all, and I always found gap from my perspective. So I organize a TTT program without knowing how TTT to be done, to be very honest. With a little research, I was just knowing what way I'm thinking and they I am projecting. Let's do it with a little research and be organized for a ISO few topics, and worked upon a different, which ADDIE model you can say. That time I just know ADDIE but never used it very frequently, but I used it in a common sense wise. Where is the problem? What is the problem? What training to be given? Why training to be given? Who will be the trainer? Why, what trainees are actually looking for? What kind of training I am approaching for this kind of organization or a topic, how it is going to impact to the organization, how it is going to be tracked, how it is going to be linked with the performance. So all my questions, curiosity helped me to design few step, what with the available resources, with the available thing. And yes, got approval after that for come up with a one external person as well, who will work on different training areas where my expertise, even if I know, people will not listen because I'm the training manager, I'm the HR head there, will say कि madam तो बोलती रहेंगी, इनका तो काम है. So if we are bringing someone else into the organization, when that person start speaking, that hit to ki someone from the outside is talking about it. It means
So
it is.
what you're saying, Anuradha, is that you went for this TTT program specifically for this reason. You wanted to.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
So I organized it in my first company
No, no, I'm not talking
for
about organizing. I mean, you registered for this 60-day TTT program. What was your intention of registering for this 6 day?
so intention was very simple, just to develop a training inside trainer skilled force, which have also came across in ISTD many questions as well.
Ah,
So because there is a many topics, I can't touch it. Behavioral, I can touch. ISO, where I have expertise, which where even the area people know, but people don't know how to deliver.
okay.
People, people know there is a gap, but can't think of how to fill it.
Right, right.
They say, I do not have time. They say, why should I do? All this kind of, and if there is a training, they just understand it as part of my profile or responsibility of an hour, I will review, chapter is closed. What is the transfer of learning is there, improvement is there, is Benado.
So
So
that
that
means
challenge
that
come
gap,
to the,
you're not only temporary stopgap trainings are being conducted, which are not
yes.
followed up, and they really don't give long-term results to the organization. That would be what you
Correct.
wanted to address, basically, is that?
Yes, so that is what to create a trainer force, and whenever we pick up this person is going to train on this topic. So 1-2 training also I have attended in the beginning where I found only gap. Telling them no, this is not done. Yeah, this to be done that way. It will hurt the ego, and I understand the psychology well. So instead of that, let's do the program. Let's do
Okay.
the certification program. So that given me the TTT concept. So I started doing it in my way with a little understanding and knowledge, not done on the angle of how market is doing. To be very honest, market, I have less experience in the market, so that I am not that picture. So in this lockdown, when we do start, when I started joining the ISTD, so there is so many questions was already there with my experience. I will address this for my development, I will address that. And TTT was not there, where even if it is called a ISTD program is TTT program, but also get the feel, not just think over how can be done, what to be done. Because we are an adult learner, and if it is organized well for a part of the course, it will help us to see different angles by being particular about 6 steps. So when I came across TTT program from on the WhatsApp group of ours where you mentioned, I thought, why not to explore? Let's see how external trainers do it. Is I
Great.
am my thought process is matching with the, because now I know the theories, I know the actual problem of the organization. And I know what is the why TTT is needed. I just wanted to understand how it is done and actually perform in the market. So
Fantastic.
that curiosity took me, and when it is you, so another my lalach I can say, or that how my colleague is going to do it. And you
So
people are coming from
you wanted to test your colleague to see
no,
how
I
is
don't want to test, because I know that you people are into this industry from long, and I am a beginner. So I told you now I am a little sure in this field. So I wanted to know your way of delivering, and yes, I have focused in detail how participants. So after a long gap, when I came for a TTT, it amazed me a lot. It filled my many gaps
So
of.
that's going to be my second question. Uh, from day one, from the day you actually logged in for your first day in the TTT, all the 6 days and your last day in TTT, I would really love to understand what was the journey like. Maybe you could give us some details. When you started off, what was your mindset going into the days going forward, and your final conclusion of the TTT program would really be interesting to understand from your point of
So, Rizwanji, I will not, as I am not a very sugar-coated person, to be very
view.
honest.
Yes,
Although I sound
I know
very
that.
sweet.
I've experienced that.
So, I don't believe in diplomacy. I believe in diplomacy,
That's why
sugar-coating everything, but you.
I'm calling you on a live webinar. There are no planned questioning, and I'm giving you full freedom, whatever you would like to say.
Thank you for that. So, I will start first. I will start with my challenge while because in this work from home scenario in COVID, there is no time bound for organization. Organization want to make their employee to work day night till 12
There's
o'clock,
no
11
excuse
o'clock.
that you want to go home now.
Yeah. No, that was the need of my family time, so that's why.
Yeah.
So that was very difficult for me to closing, and as I'm working, responsibility on my head was high, because headache people is very much, so many people are there to give the headache, and if I'm not available, not understand on the immediate basis, address on an immediate basis, then it become a big chaos, and yet my juniors are dependent on me, because I developed the entire system over there, and team also training them. So wherever I worked, I first trained my juniors, so that my style or my way or company needs will be fulfilled. So that is the thing. So managing a time of your training time and because availability of mine as per the enroll time period for the TTT was a big time challenge. So you have found me, sometime I joined very late, suddenly clicked, oh my god, I have to stop it, I have to join for it. So that was there. So first day, I do remember it was, if I will say from my angle, I was on the observation side, to be very honest. That how things to be presented, how things going to give me a means virtual TTT program. Virtually, I was never attended anything other than a ISTD few class, that was like a delivering, getting all the deliveries at a time, knowing yes,
YouTube
and every
programs,
familiar
yeah,
person.
YouTube videos.
Yes, with familiar people's questions, topics, and everything. Only faculties keep on changing, others are remain the same. Uh, so I was curious who all are joining, how the things going to be, how TTT program is going to start, what is going to be your role, what is going to be. So without much thought, I entered, and I was little quiet. I always keep quiet in the beginning to observe
In the
first.
beginning.
So it happened naturally. It is not something intentional, to be honest. I just observe because I am an observative. Think what is, how to act upon, how to steal thing as well. So I first observe. So I really like the initiative. I like to be very honest, I saw your different angle. As a colleague in ISTD, you are a complete different person. But when I found you as a trainer or a virtual platform with a different set of mind participant, with a different expectations, delivery expectation and demanding styles, the way you handled among all was very very good to watch and learn from you, to with that patience, with that command of voice, with the command on the circumstances, was not going much speaking, not uh, stopping anything which is coming as a hindrance, dealing with that, taking the rest to come up and minimize, balancing the gaps of your other trainer partner at the same time very smartly. All these things was for me as a trainer is something is to learn from you. So I have that part I enjoyed a lot from your angle. From the program angle, yes, all the whatever we have studies chapter wise or semester wise, grouping them into a small PPT and then delivering to a participant who are coming from a training background, where scholar in the training program. I'm not that scholar, but I know that people who join from the very big institute or agency are into a training field itself, and it is means matching the need of everyone. People are able to engage. Yes, what engage, different use of the Kahoot, the Multimeter, and Zoom as well, because I'm yet to explore Zoom a lot, how to be done on a virtual platform. So that was another amazing factor, because that was my another purpose, to know how virtual platform can be utilized, and I wanted to observe it as a participant before just going and doing it from other angle. Because when you know as a participant how it feel like, as a trainer you are able to think from the psychic of that way, and flaws and plus point, and it will be best outcome. So that was overall from the interaction side was very high. Everyone got their space to interact even with the minimum time frame. So that was another. And way it is handled difficult questions, where recently we have learned in the facilitation how to handle participant, how to handle difficult questions. So all these things I am able to relate it, the learning theories, with this virtual, and helped me a lot in my answering the question in exam as well. So I have already told you that this given me a big insight of dealing with a different angle of situations. Uh, I will not say negative, but yes, scope of improvement, what I found, um, although we are working as an individual trainer, but whenever we are coming in a group, all trainers should be at least saved same parameter, so that what student cannot focus only on one person. So if you say honestly, the more focus, although we all are respecting all the faculties, their output on a human front or a training front, because it's etiquette to give respect, and every detailing is useful if we are able to make sense out of it. But it should be balanced view, so the program will be more empowered. So that part I felt coordination is little bit tuning, connection relation was very high among the trainers, but planning was little go on toss, maybe because this is first time and everyone has a different ability. But time management I found it to be done, because as I am available, once I am login, it's not necessary that other will not react. So
Yeah, that means
was
we had planned for 7 to 9, which was
yes,
very rarely we did 7 to 9. We almost exceeded our timelines, basically. I think that is what you mean to refer, basically. What I do agree, totally agree that trainers need to be disciplined in their timeline. But what I also felt was we were going too much in-depth discussions with people, and we
exactly.
were
That's why I'm
addressing
not
each and
blaming.
every question. We were giving everyone the freedom to express themselves, and
Correct,
we
correct,
were not
correct.
stopping anyone. We were trying to, and maybe that was one of the reasons why our timelines were not secured. But the other good thing I felt was that my participants did not drop out even after the timelines, the 9
Yes,
o'clock.
yes.
They
That was
went.
because of the you given us the freedom to express. Or adult learner want their knowledge and experience and thought process to be expressed. Uh, my only with the timeline is like if it is from a other program, not for this, because people right now is free. Few, why I'm saying this key, like Rahul sir, right? Many one is very enthusiast learner, even if they know of many things, still they are curious to explore.
Still, yeah,
And
at
yeah,
this level of experience, they're still curious.
yes. So even if they, so when they, many people I have, because I'm an observer, I'm not commenting that was my feeling. I was like a little bit of the same caliber. मुझे चुराने के लिए बस मिल जाए, I'm ready. So other candidate participant I found is a little hesitant to speak their real feeling, that because they have other
Commitments, yeah.
responsibility and commitment toward it.
You're right,
So
you're right.
that should not, that for the next program should be planned in a manner that it will make program more effective. Rest is very beautifully done.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I will definitely take your inputs in improving my next sessions because your inputs are valuable for us also. Again, you have given me a very clear outline of your experience of this training program. what is that one thing that you still have in your memory as a real takeaway, as something which is really giving you a very good, जैसे बोलती हो ना, तुम चोरी करती हो, चुराती हो, क्या चुराया है मेरे ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम में से जो तुमको मतलब it will go a long way in helping you as a trainer.
So if I have to answer in a 3 line, जो मेरे को immediate आ रहा है, so if one I always keep on telling how to maximum use a virtual platform, because I am not having that experience, to be very honest, and I was curious to know कि how people will be engaged, because if I am available in front of the people, I know that I can do it. I have delivered something which, because you, while you looking at the behavioral overall body language, you can figure out, and there's a lot many scope to do the activity or do the program. Yes, constraint over there is also there, but still we are very much familiar. Virtual, going virtual and looking at the COVID scenario, where if this virtual platform is going very well, so even if we have the physical platform available over a period, virtual will play the major role in the market. And for a trainer, knowing that different mode, style, and running scenario is very much important. So I wanted to know how the Zoom, although I have missed so many faculty classes on Zoom, so I have not attended many faculties, how they have utilized different breakout room and all these things. So that was amazing factors. Coming across, I never heard about Kahoot. I never heard about any multimeter because my day passed with a company's baggage. So I'm not able to give much time on my training field. So I was little away from my own area of passion or exploration because this was focused toward the training.
Not much exposure to training, you would
Yeah,
say.
over a period,
front, basically.
yes, because there is other major thing is very high which need to be worked from the HR angle.
Yes.
So yeah, now it is come to the platform, and we have started also where I approached you, but with after one session, then after another activity, and then the COVID, so it is still on hold. So what I was saying, so that was one is a virtual utility of the platform, and how what are the different angle of engaging candidate when it is coming from a different diversified field and skill level. Second important thing which I will take away from you, honestly, how you handle the situation. Because there is different, you remember the topic on guru started. So sentiments, if you
that
have
was a very critical turning point, huh?
Yes, and if you remember that cultural aspect of sentiments people start thinking upon, and that is called how people are very much connected with their roots.
Yeah.
And
they get emotionally involved in
emotionally involved even, and I also know the literal meaning of guru, and where the way it is used in our educational platform is a complete different, and it is not necessary the person who is a trainer always and be with the master before putting it, but must from it is expected before putting any pointers must understand what is the literal meaning, so that there will be no even a scope of any misconception will come. And the way you handled it, that thing, especially the Rahul sir, is not easy to handle. You may be knowing him from a
no, he's a very experienced person. Basically,
yes, he is
when
having very good
he
command
talks with a lot of knowledge base. And
yes.
From his perspective, also, I do not deny the fact that people are using guru in a very wrong way nowadays.
Exactly,
Everyone says guru, मैं guru हो गया, मैं guru हूँ. थोड़ा बहुत
exactly.
साल, 1.5 साल, 2 साल करने के बाद जैसे I am a guru in this, I am a guru in that. उन्होंने एक example भी दिया, some college graduates doing 1 or 2 years of some program, and then they come out and say I am a guru in this field. coaching guru हूँ मैं ये हूँ. So that is
On
what
this,
you
I
are
can say, Rizwanji, that people is only using terminology for the business purpose.
exactly.
The way it is used education today for monetary gain, the same is the terminology Guru, Gurukul. Guru and the term Gurukul came with a essence that where exchange will happen selflessly for the development purpose.
Exactly.
And Guru is someone who is know everything related to how the make that their disciple to be equipped with the knowledge which help them to deal with a different situation and all. So it's a very, so our India is very means beauty part is we are coming across from a different angle, different culture, and beauty lies in the story, beauty lies in the small every mystic or a methodical, whatever it is
Yeah.
told,
The
and
history
all.
and culture of Guru is very, very
Yes,
touching. It's very emotionally close to us. So people do not
exactly.
like the misuse of the word Guru
So
in the
that time,
training field.
I was little worried. It should not mislead in a different angle. You can understand what I am intent to tell you. I will not use that terminology, but yes, I thought it should not go in a different angle, because it is used. People understand in a different angle on the people from the other side who's coming from a different cultural background. Uh, Means having a basic understanding, so it will lead to a different perspective. But the way it is managed, people forget about Guru topic and come to the common, and every very matured participant was very matured, very so it is literally, I said so that was my second chori wala cheese, to handle situation differently, because you cannot predict questions of a participant, you cannot predict responses and how the responses is coming to you. You cannot predict how one person can influence other at that point of time. You just have to be on the situation, manage it uh, in a manner so that everyone feels, think of ki they are addressed, they are understood, and what is essence of the exchange from the trainer side was also from this perspective. So that was the beautiful part, because we I have handled the closed group, which is from the organization. For them, I'm a HR also. So managing them, it's a different angle. Is it?
Challenge,
But
yes,
people
exactly.
coming from a different angle was literally is a big thing to deal with, and that you given me the insight. Thank you for that. And third, TTT program. Now I am confident to use my learning exposure which I got from this for my future plan of action. So that is my takeaway. Yes, few aspect of like there is a in slides also, few pointers are very new to me, because we are never able to go to in such detail to understand rule of presentation, blah blah this that, because for that we have to do only research on the PPT how to be good. We focus on my presentation to be fulfill the organization need at that point of time. It should not be very clumsy, it should not be very cute with data, colors and all. Simple data presentation I have seen, but rules and all these things, a different model which we have studies also, faculty also come up with at the time of preparation I come across, was uh, the factor giving a trainer a edge on us. So all these things I'm carrying with me right now.
Thank you very much. बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीजें चुराया है तुमने एंड उस चोरी का फायदा उठाना और become a great trainer, a great coach, and thank you very much for being chore and taking the good
I
points from our
proudly say
training.
this.
Really, because I like that part of your personality, because you are very open, you're candid about what you are there for, and I like that you are very genuine in your personality when you express yourself. You're not not sugarcoating, as you said. The other thing is that you yourself being in an HR position and having a good experience, your perspective and your inputs about my training program is genuinely appreciated, because that gives me more insight for improvement, and also understanding where the strong points lie in my training program, or in our training. I would say, like to say, my team members who are equally very contributing, and they have been a great support in my uh, TTT program. All of them, Ashwini, Romana, and Rajesh. So all credit to them, because I wouldn't be able to do it on my own as a one-man
Correct.
show. And all your appreciation, you guys, you are professionals. And as you know, there were very highly experienced professionals like Kamath sir was there, our Professor Kamath sir
A
was there,
few of
and
them I forgot the
Arun
names.
sir was there,
Arun
Guru
sir,
Raj ji, and
Guru Raji, correct,
Rahul
correct.
Rahul sir was there. So these are really, जैसे बोलते हैं ना, दिग्गज बोलते हैं ना, गुरु, दिग्गज.
Yes, yes,
These
yes.
guys are really experienced.
Literally, I found myself, I am very younger than them.
Of
I
course.
think मेरे से कोई अगर छोटा एक ही कोई था.
हाँ, एक दो थे ऐसे यंग थे, लेकिन आप
because
उसी यंग ग्रुप के शामिल हो, तो आप यू आर वन ऑफ दोस
हाँ, वही है कि
यंग.
मैंने कभी भी डिफरेंट एजुकेशनल फील्ड के ट्रेनर्स के साथ, मैंने कॉर्पोरेट लीडर्स के साथ अटेंड किया है प्रोग्राम, बट ट्रेनर्स के साथ जिन्हें खुद पता है कि मुझे आता है.
No, you
That
are
was a
right.
new to.
It was a diverse field of people. You know, there were teachers, there were trainers, there were HR people, there were really experienced trainers. So to able to handle all of them, it is a challenge. But of course, once you handle and you are able to connect with them on a personal level, they also really appreciate that fact, which I got a lot of good response from all of them. Kamath sir, being so knowledgeable, he also gave his inputs on the.
I'd like to add over here. Honestly, I think this is your first virtual program, correct? If I'm not wrong, or the
Not
second.
not really. Yeah, delivering the virtual platform, yes, because although we did a
This
lot of.
virtual, I'm talking about virtual, and we never felt as a participant that we are virtually present. We felt like we are present. That is the best part, and interaction was nevertheless, which is needed virtually. We cannot do physical activity, have to be present on phone, camera, and then there is many people who is hesitant. Even sometime I also hesitant, because every state of time is not very perfect from home. So people, we got all the
And girls
insight.
usually don't want to come on camera unless they are perfectly looking
I
good.
also took 5 minutes from you today itself, because in COVID we stopped even looking at the
Yourself in the
mirror.
mirror.
It is simply like managing things, and
So I
everything is
also,
going.
whenever I'm having my participants who are women or girls, I don't really force them to come on camera, because it's their own choice whether they have really prepared themselves to be on camera or not, because
And
that's very
engagement, to
important.
be very honest, engagement is another factor. Women's,
Yes,
without any doubt, they have multiple things to address at
lot
a
of
time. So
responsibilities they
many a
are
time
handling.
when I am available, I am doing my household work also.
Oh, really?
So, yeah, otherwise
Multitasking, huh?
have to do sometime. Yes, have to do. So that was the thing. So many a time it is not appropriate to come, because then I have observed everyone, I'm watching it available, especially when the time exceed, have to manage the two things together. So, and there is no already things are at rest, so every time is not necessary to speak only. Sometimes it is very important to
Listen.
listen also to other leaders, other trainers, and get the insight of your, because many of them ask your question. So just eager for my turn is not needed. So that time I utilize in a both way, whatever is possible.
Great. Anuradha, thank you very much. You have really found the time to contribute towards this webinar. Your insights, your inputs, your feedback is really valued and appreciated. And I will definitely keep in mind all the points of improvement that you have pointed out, and giving your genuine uh, appreciation to our team and our TTT program. And I hope that all that you have learned through this webinar, through this TTT program, you will be able to implement it in your future training programs, and you're the new budding training and coaching, you know, uh, ideal for the new generation. That's
Yeah,
what
that is here. I just one line. I never thought. It was just I got a call of yours, and then I realized if something I have missed or something I have not done. That's why you're making me a call. Say, ki Rajesh ji is trying to reach you, and I was literally blank for what? Because I was knowing about the teach back. I was not knowing about this opportunity. So as you have shown you and Rajesh sir confidence on me, even though I have not attended teach back because of some reason. So I thought of let's know it first. There's too many questions in my mind. What is I'm going to do and how? What is it all about? How? What is it related to? So all this answer, and then really right now I felt like I got an opportunity without knowing. So and this is going to be my first virtual program or a outside program for me, other than a corporate.
Great.
So I am nervous also and curious also. So I'm going to take it as a learning only. So
It's a
how
challenge.
things,
It's a challenge.
yeah.
I want to see you really give an amazing TTT program. I'm really looking
Hopefully I'm
up to
able to
you.
contribute well in the presence of the other Dhurandhar leaders.
I'm watching you. I'm watching you. Yeah. Okay. Because I know it's not the age that counts. It's your personality and the way you present. I can be sure that you'll do a good job as a virtual.
I hope I will
trainer.
come up with the
Definitely.
same
If you need any
expectation.
help, you need any assistance from me, I'm always available for any
Definitely I
support.
will
Yeah.
disturb you.
So, closing our webinar session, something you would like to share with your viewers, your closing comments for this webinar.
I will be like to put my points and close my point with a saying, learning never ends. So whenever you or anyone feel like there is something missing, think from your own perspective and from the path you are want to look for. Whether it is a training, whether it is a corporate line, whether it is a personal line, you will find everywhere training is a need of time. From a psychological perspective, emotional perspective, intellect perspective, technical perspective, process perspective, training play the important role. And why training play the important role? Because their urge of learning, growing is there. So never stop yourself from learning, and always the three terminology which I found very important from the beginning of my college time, when one faculty says learn, relearn and unlearn. Learn what is, keep on learning and learn what is important, what you feel is going to add value. Unlearn, because something whatever we have learned it through the process of experience, exposure, which is blocked our mindset or out of belief, out
Disempowering,
of
yeah,
yes.
disempowering, which is
So
not
and if it
taking.
is not needed that point of time, free yourself to open up with a new experience, new learning, because learning has no boundary.
Correct.
Things learning is talking about current situation and coming situation. Today we are talking about this model. Another time of frame there will be n number of frame from the college to till today. Although we are talking about one model, but there is a n number of model came into the market and corporate is using, just because these models and training is not based on someone drawn parameter. It is based on the actual need of the current situation. So we can refer past and we can draw new. So it is very creative and innovative way. For this, opening up yourself is very important. And third important is relearning. We learn many things, but we forget because when you are not able to use it. So relearning is equally important. And for that, to upgrade myself on the three parameter, I always curious to attend and chase toward my passion. So please follow your passion, and learning is a key wherever, whatever way, whichever way. So and if we are able to make someone learn through training or if I am able to influence my team and make them equipped and developed out of my learning, I always feel blessed that I got that opportunity to develop them. It is not always in return, it is always in the part of responsibility. So right now for training for me is a development. So always be learner, always be curious to develop.
Fantastic. Anuradha, thank you very much. We actually went through a 1 hour discussion, and I really didn't notice that we have spent 1 hour with each other discussion. Your time really flew like anything. You know, your conversation was so hypnotic. I should say magic. Your conversation. So thank you very much, Anuradha, for being on the show and sharing your point of view. And we'll keep in touch. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Rizwanji.